everyone, and a very warm welcome to the Bird Monitoring in India Symposium. I'm Preeti, and in this video, I will introduce you to the platform that we will use over the next 2 days of the symposium. We'll mostly interact over Slack, where you can view talks and posters and interact with presenters and fellow participants. Our Slack workspace is called Bird Monitoring in India, and we'll interact within this workspace throughout the symposium. You can start by editing your profile by clicking on the icon in the top right-hand side corner and going to Edit Profile. Here, you can change your full name and your name that you want to be displayed when you post messages. Maybe upload a profile photo by clicking Upload an Image and post a little bit of information about what you do. Next, head to the Announcements channel to view important announcements about upcoming sessions, changes in the schedule, and reminders. If you are in the Announcements channel right now, you will see a post about the current session that also points you to the Guide to Slack channel. Do go to that channel by clicking the link. You'll also see a little document about tips to interact on Slack. Next, in the Introductions channel, you can post a little introduction about yourself and learn more about your fellow participants. For example, I can post, "Hi, I'm Preeti, very excited to hear about your monitoring program. If you want to reply to someone else's introduction, please make sure that you respond in thread by clicking Reply in Thread option. You can view your threads on the right-hand side panel. Here, for example, you can see that Akshata has posted, and I can respond to her posts saying, "Hello, Akshata, welcome to the museum." To make sure that our discussions stay organized, it's important that we all respond in threads. To interact with other participants at the symposium, head to the Lounge channel. You can hang out in the lounge during breaks and start conversations with your fellow participants here. You can post general questions, queries, start a debate about the best methods for bird monitoring, and so on. You can use the Help channel to ask questions about using the platform or about the symposium itself, or if you can't find the ongoing session. Please don't post help questions in other channels. They will be deleted by our volunteers so that channels are kept tidy. The symposium events are organized in different channels. On the left panel, that say Day 1 talks, Day 1 posters, and so on. For example, on the Day 1 posters channel, you can view the posters that will be uploaded. You can click on the poster image to enlarge the poster and take a better look at it. To comment on a talk or a poster, you must reply in the appropriate thread to keep the discussion organized. So click on Reply in Thread and post a question. So here the presenter is Rohan. I can also tag Rohan by using the @ symbol and say @Rohan. Nice poster. Where did you conduct the study? This is a sort of redundant question because Rohan probably has mentioned this in his poster, but just to demonstrate. I emphasize once again that you must respond to discussions in a thread for talks and posters. Please do not start off new messages in any of the talks or poster channels, but you're welcome to start new messages in some of the other channels. For example, the introductions channel, help channel, or the lounge channel. You can also interact with your fellow participants by sending them direct messages by clicking on their name under the direct messages on the left sidebar. For example, I can go to Rohan's direct messages and say, hello, Rohan. Can you please message me the detailed locations for your sites? The messages that you post under these channels are public messages which everyone can view. But if you want to ask specific questions to other participants, you can also send them a direct message. You can view all conversations that are in a thread by scrolling up and clicking on threads on the left panel on the top. And you can see the conversations that are going on in a single thread. Akshita has responded to my message in a thread, and hence it helps us stay organized. Finally, please also head over to our Code of Conduct channel and read it carefully. Please do post questions and interact with other participants. Thank you, and we hope that you have a fun and productive time at the symposium.